Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a manual portfolio in Koyfin. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, manually built portfolio that reflects your holdings and cash, ready for tracking and analysis. Make sure you're signed in to your Koyfin account so you can follow along in real time. Start from the main Koyfin dashboard and head to today's markets. This is a helpful home base that ensures you're in the right workspace and gives you a quick snapshot of what's moving before you build. From here, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. Find the section labeled My Portfolio. It lives in the sidebar along with other tools you may use for market monitoring. Click My Portfolio to open the portfolio area. This is where you'll create, view, and manage your portfolios. On this page, choose Create Portfolio to start a new manual build. This opens a clean setup screen so you can define the basics and add positions. Begin by setting your portfolio currency using the drop-down. Pick the currency you want values and performance displayed in. Choosing the correct base currency is important because it shapes how returns and totals are calculated and shown. If you primarily think in a specific currency, align it here for clarity. Next, add your starting cash position and enter its amount. Including cash helps keep allocations accurate and ensures your analytics reflect both invested and uninvested balances. Use a value that matches your actual cash on hand for the portfolio you're modeling. Now it's time to add securities. Click Add Ticker to begin. Follow the on-screen prompts to search for the instrument by symbol or name, then provide the required details. You may be asked for things like quantity, cost, or trade date, depending on how you want Koyfin to calculate performance. Take a moment to double-check the ticker, the market it trades on, and the figures you enter so your portfolio metrics are accurate. Repeat the add process for each position you hold until your list mirrors your real portfolio. You can mix equities, ETFs, and other supported assets. If you're building a model rather than a live account, be consistent with your inputs so comparisons and weighting make sense. When everything looks right, select Create Portfolio to finalize. Koyfin will generate your portfolio view showing holdings, cash, and performance in the currency you selected. From here, you can monitor changes over time and make updates as your positions evolve. That's it. Your manual portfolio is set up and ready to track.